please. You two, come on. Outside now.
Everyone out. Let's go. Let's move.
You two, come on.
Outside.
Control,
now.
this is campus security.
You pulled a fire alarm, Marcus. Do you know how serious that is?
I didn't think it would be a big deal.
It is a big deal. You scared a whole school and wasted firefighters' time. Your phone's mine for the week and you're grounded until further notice. No arguments. You're staying home.